love our family.
Me too. Everything.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
Today, we will buy gold together.
Yes!
Let's stay happy. Daniel, where are we going first?
My dear, we'll go to the bank. We need to get the money.
Okay, then we'll go to the jewelry store.
Yes.
Great! I'm excited! This is gonna be so much fun!
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you? I want to withdraw $100,000. Certainly, sir. Please show me your ID. Here you are. Thank you. Please wait a moment.
That's a lot of money!
Yes, we must be careful. $100,000. We must be careful.
I'm excited! Let's go! That's a lot of money!
Oh! We are gonna have so much fun! Wait, who is that guy? Hold on tight!
Hello!
What is
Police!
your emergency?
A thief stole our bag with $100,000. He is running toward Green Street.
Stay calm. Officers are on the way.
Hello!
What
Police!
is your emergency?
A thief stole our bag with $100,000. He is running toward Green Street.
Stay calm. Officers are on the way.
We are chasing the black car!
Help! He is getting away!
We are chasing the black car!
Help! He is getting away!
Out of my way! Freeze!
Here's your money back, safe and sound. And here is $1 for you, young man.
Thank you so much, officer.
Yes, thank you all for your help. Great, we have our money back. Now, let's go buy some gold. Hello, we are looking to buy some gold.
Excellent. Let me show you our finest bars.
Perfect, we will take these.
I love how this list looks.
Look, it fits perfectly!
Here are the dollars. Thank you, come again.
Daniel, I'm tired.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
Let's go to a restaurant.
Great idea! We are here. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's eat at this restaurant.
Great! I want a big meal!
Come on, let's go inside.
Welcome! How many people?
3, please.
We are very hungry.
I want a big burger!
Please come this way. Your table is ready. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious.
I want a cheeseburger and fries!
Great! I'll be back in a minute.
This food is really delicious.
Yes, I love this restaurant.
My burger is amazing!
Let's enjoy our meal together. What a wonderful day.
This food looks amazing.
I love this burger.
Today was scary.
Yes, a thief stole our money.
But the police caught him!
We got our money back, bought the gold, and now we're enjoying dinner together.
It was a happy ending.
Always be honest and protect your family.
Good people and the police can help.
Be kind and stay safe.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe,
and support our channel.
See you next time.